Reflective thinking is a powerful tool that helps us understand ourselves better. It means taking time to think about our actions, decisions, and experiences. Instead of just moving from one task to another, reflective thinking allows us to pause, look back, and learn. In our busy lives, we often forget to slow down and think. But when we reflect, we find meaning in what we do. It helps us grow, improve, and avoid repeating the same mistakes. Reflection is not just about the past. It also helps shape our future by guiding our choices and goals. For students, reflective thinking can improve learning. By reviewing what they understood and where they struggled, they can study smarter. For professionals, it can enhance performance. Reflecting on what went well or what didn't can lead to better decisions at work. Reflective thinking also supports emotional health. When we take time to understand our feelings and reactions, we build self-awareness. This helps us manage stress, handle conflicts, and maintain better relationships. To start reflective thinking, ask yourself simple questions like, what did I do today? What did I learn? What could I do better next time? Writing your thoughts in a journal is one effective way. Even a few minutes each day can make a big difference. In a world full of distractions, reflective thinking brings clarity. It connects our experiences with our values and goals. It turns everyday actions into meaningful learning. So take a moment today to reflect. Your mind will thank you, and your future self will benefit from it.